Hello and welcome back to my video. Today I'm going to show you some things I purchased from Ikea. So let's get started. So I'm going to start with this vase that I recently picked up, well, last week. Excuse me. I believe I paid around $2.29 for this item. And I just love kind of that retro look. The other item I picked up is this pizza cutter. This came in 3 colors, a black, or I believe a red, and this white. And this was around $1.99. I also purchased a new oven mitt. Kind of destroyed my other oven mitt. And this was also, I believe, $1.99. So if you bought 2 of them, it would just be about $4 plus tax. So I needed some new cutting boards, and this was a 3-pack. So it comes with light blue, sort of a red or a coral color, and this green, and I believe it was around $6 for 3. And this is their 3x Ikea 365 plus. So those are some of the items. I got some baggies. I didn't think you'd pick something like that up from Ikea, but this contains 30 of each size. One size is a liter size and one is a 0.4 liter size. So you're getting 60. And, you know, just to keep your food fresh. You're not purchasing something like this often, you know, so that. And I also picked up this candle, kind of, you know, gone through it, but it lasts for 40 hours. It was $3.99, and I believe it is a peach orange scent. Smells really nice and fresh. And I also got this candle holder or base. You know, sometimes the candle gets hot, so you can either put, you know, just a candle, or you can put something like this, and it looks really nice, and it'll protect your surface, your table surface or counter surface. Last item I got from Ikea is this broom and dust dustpan. This is the name of it. I believe it's $16.99 plus tax. So I just thought aesthetically it was nice, and it actually, you can't see it, but the dustpan has this kind of teeth thing that you can just push the broom on it and it'll pick off all the little hair or dust. So if you're in the market for a new broom, and this one comes with the dustpan, I think this is not a bad deal. So right now, this time of year, I just wanted to, you know, spruce up the house, your home a lot, so you kind of see things that you need. So I did get a new rug. This one is from Marshall's, and that's the pattern, because I felt the floors in the bedroom was a bit cold. I don't know, I'm trying to get away from the boho, and I don't know if this is gonna work out or not, but this is a new rug I purchased, and it was pretty inexpensive. It's $29.99, and it's a 27 by 45. So I just need it for a small surface. And then I also purchased some new bedding. And this is a 6-piece comforter set. I've tried the duvet. I'm don't, it's just a lot of work. I just prefer a comforter. So I'm just gonna double up my comforters, and this comes with the 2 pillow sham covers, 2 pillow covers, and the comforter, and 1 decorative pillow. And this was from HomeSense, or in the US it's called Home Goods. So if you're in the market for some new bedding, I found that there was a lot you could find at HomeSense and Marshall's right now, just to do a few upgrades. I'm already thinking about switching out some stuff. So yeah, these are some items that I purchased to just, you know, get me through the dreary winter. Hope you found this video, you know, helpful or motivating. I also got a new bath mat, so I'm just going to show you what that looks like. And I got this one from Costco. So this is what the new bath mat looks like. So I don't know if you can see that. And this is the Martha Stewart brand. I know, kind of awkward filming, but that is a new white bath rug. I find white makes everything look nice and crisp and clean. So yeah, those are all the items I picked up just recently to give my home a little refresh. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.